how to make your Facebook account completely public. So if you want to make your Facebook account completely public, then what you need to do is, first, you just need to simply open up your Facebook application. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to go with your profile, which will be in the bottom, and then you need to go with the top right, which has that 3 dots, and here you need to scroll down and then go with turn on professional mode. So your Facebook account is already public until you lock your profile. So if you've not locked your profile, then it's already public. So if you've locked your profile, just simply tap on lock profile, or just profile, and then unlock your profile. Once you've unlocked your profile, you need to go with your professional mode. But before turning on your professional mode, you need to go with the top left, which has that 3 horizontal lines. Go with settings and privacy, and then tap on settings. Now under settings, you need to scroll down a bit, and then you'll find an option of profile and tagging. Here, under who can post on your profile, you need to go and select friends. And then who can see what others post on your profile, you need to go and select everyone. And just scroll down and then select each and every option, and make sure that you've selected everyone. And even under reels, you need to go and select everyone who can see your future posts. You need to go with public. Make sure each and every option right here is public, like post, stories, pages, reels, a profile or tagging, or followers and public content, or your profile details. Make sure everything, every detail is set to public. After that, go and turn on your professional mode, and in this way you'll be able to make your Facebook account completely public. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.